Hello students, let us learn the ways of creating a frame in the swing. Uh, so there are basically two ways. First is by creating the object of frame class, and the second one is by extending the frame class. That is that you use the two methods. And first method, let us take an example. So this is by creating the object of frame class, and this method is called association method because you are associating the object of a frame with your class, and you are about to create the frame using your class and frame object. So this is the example that we are taking here, that we are importing the java x.swing package. This is a swing package, and um, our class name is the first swing example because it is a swing example. And we are entering the main method, that is public static void main string args that are arguments. And this line is completely the instantiation, that is JFrame f is equal to new JFrame. So this creates the object of frame class with the name, the object name as f. And next is J button, B is equal to new J button. So this creates an object of a button name named B, and it displays in the button that it is click. Okay, then you are going to add this button to the frame. So this is how you have to add the object name of the frame, that is f dot add of the object of button. So that is how f dot add of B. Now you have to set size for the frame. So the frame object dot set size and your measurements 400 and 500, and visibility, the dot set visible true, so it will be visible. Now let us move on to the command, and let's see, check whether it is giving the output or not. So first for the compilation, so you will say that the first example of Java is the first swing example is its name. So you just give java c dot java c first example dot java, and it is successfully compiled. And you can give the java space your class name. So it is creating a frame of the uh, frame 400 and 500 size, and it is containing a button inside it with the display name click. This is how we have to create, we have to use the association of frame class, and we can create a frame by using the object of frame class. Now let's see in the second method that we can create an object, we can create a frame by extending the class to the frame class that we use inheritance. And now I am taking a program here. So first line is same as import the swing package, and the second line is that I am giving a name very much simple. So simple2 is a class name, and which is extending to JFrame. So this is inheritance. JFrame is an inbuilt class in Java swing package. So Java X Swing already contains JFrame class. So we can extend it up to without any definition to the JFrame class. So simple2 is extending to JFrame, and the simple2 is having this code, and you are giving a constructor here simple2, and inside that simple2 you are creating a button B. The name of the object is B, so J button B is equal to new J button click. And add is already a method available in the JFrame class, so you can simply override the add method of the JFrame class. You need not call it by object.add method. So need not be writing f.add, but you can simply override the add method which is already there in the JFrame. So add of b, b is the argument, and it will be calling a method of addition that will add the button b inside the frame. And the size of the frame is also, it is a simply set size 400, 500. So these are all the inbuilt methods in the JFrame class, so you can call them directly without even using the object name. So after writing the set visible true, then you can go to the main method because we did not give the main method, okay, from start to the till point. So then next public static void main string args. Now you call your class name, okay, or constructor name. So that is instantiation, and this will this will create an object of the simple2, and it will automatically call the simple2 for execution. So this will now let us check our output using the command. So the next thing is, so we did not exit the frame which was created, okay, at that time. So first you have to close your command, and then you have to refresh your command so that it will be out of the execution. So first we have to go to your Java folder, and then go to the command using the cmd. Then now you give Java C and the simple2 dot Java. So this is also successfully compiled, and the next you give simple2. So this is also creating the same thing which is created by the earlier method. That is, the first method is, okay, using the object of the frame class, that is association of the object of frame class with the present class. And the second method is by just extending the present class as a subclass to the frame class. So the second is inheritance, and it is extending up to frame class, and everything else will be same. Okay, as like calling the add method, calling the set size method, calling the visible k method. So everything is same, and this is out. Now also you can see that even though we close the window, that the cursor is not coming to the original position of the directory, because still the frame is under running. We have not destroyed the frame, okay, by closing the frame, but we have to close the frame by using the command window because it should stop running. Okay, so otherwise you have to write destroy. Using the destroy, you have to destroy the frame. Okay, so thank you.